Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Today we are going to the evaluation. I will ask from the summary points, vocabulary, and then from the homework. For the vocabularies and then homework, you may not open in the laptop, but for the summary can be. Alright, we will start from science.
Yeah, actually for this week only science, Miss.
Only science.
Yes.
So for English and IPA?
English IPA no, because we are doing project.
Reviewing. Oh, project.
Yeah, review week this week.
Okay, just tell me about the project later.
For
science, for English and IPA.
for English they're doing speaking. So I asked.
Okay, we start English first, yeah.
English first.
Okay, so what is the project for English?
They do the speaking project.
How is that?
The class. So there is a dialogue in their book. So they need to create their own dialogue, then practice.
What is it about, the dialogue?
It's about the sports.
Sports. And then? I mean...
Oh, no, sorry. It's about suggestion, Miss. Making
Suggestion?
Yeah.
Using what?
Like the story about Dave and Nina. They have a plan for go outside to play the tennis, but because of raining.
Still related to sport?
Yeah, still the same unit 7. So Nina suggests to, because raining they cannot go outside, so Nina suggests Dave to play the tennis, the indoor, but Dave say it's usually it's too many people and it's expensive. So
because there are too many people, so that they don't go outside.
Yeah, and then Nina propose another idea, suggest another idea. They watching the old tennis movie.
So okay.
So
they just to stay at home.
Yeah.
To watch the movie.
Yeah, stay at home.
I mean, for their project. Here, what did they do?
The same.
The same conversation with the text?
No.
So?
But a dialogue about the topic. They can choose the topic like.
It's up to them, the topic?
No, it's already written in the book. There is a thirsty, like A student say, hello B, I'm thirsty. Oh, what about we go blah 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 blah.
Thirsty.
And then there is also hot, bored. What else? Yeah.
Bored?
Yeah. I feel so bored.
What kind of bored? Blackboard? Whiteboard?
No,
what?
Bored.
Bored? For?
I'm feeling bored.
Oh, bored.
Bored.
Oh. Okay.
Then they practice that here, there. Only that, like that.
2 titles only? The topics only 2?
Yeah. No, the topics there are 5, I think, but they need to choose 2.
They need to choose 2. So how many minutes for them to do the project each? And then one group consists of 2 students only?
Yeah, because because there are 15, right? Ricky with me.
So Ricky?
With me.
Oh.
Because 15, right, Miss?
And then?
Yeah. Only that, enough.
So finish already the project?
Yeah, because before they do the project.
I mean, how many minutes for each student?
I think around 2 minutes.
2 minutes only. I mean, so far, how did you see? Is it live? The dialogue?
They just make the simple dialogue, the short one.
This short one. I mean, even though it's up to them to choose the topic, right? Maybe for the next, you can give them like, I don't want the dialogue is too short. Say that to them. Because if like that, they will choose the easiest one. Yes, right? And then they will make it so simple. Because they think that, at least I have gone in front. I have practiced it like that. So I mean, we need something new, something interesting, right? For the next. Alright, so for IPA?
Oh, for IPA?
IPA ngapain, Miss?
Hari ini mereka mengelompokkan nama-nama hewan, ada 15 hewan ke dalam 2 grup.
Kingdom gitu ya? Ya seperti kemarin. Udah kayak seperti kemarin maksudnya.
Iya. Lalu mereka
Kingdom apa tadi kemarin itu Miss?
Animalia.
Animalia.
Animalia terbagi
Jadi
atas 2, vertebrata invertebrata, dibaginya 15 hewan.
ini presentasi juga.
Iya, presentasi juga. Jadi kemarin kan ada PPT-nya, Miss. Nah, PPT-nya itu kan di situ ada jenis-jenis hewan yang vertebrata dan invertebrata, lalu dilanjutkan dengan hasil proyek mereka. Mereka juga show di video gitu, ditunjukkan. Ini adalah hasil dari praktikum yang kami lakukan. Hewannya itu ini, ciri-cirinya ini gitu. Itu sih proyeknya hari ini.
Oke deh. Tapi berbeda dengan sains ya. Because last time when you what is the project I forgot? Oh, making ice cream. I mean, it's real. They can make it. I mean, like
Actually, I want the real one, Miss, but for IPA,
it's difficult, yeah, to find the.
the topic, and sometimes it's difficult to find the materials because I need to buy the materials by myself.
Oh yeah,
So I just decided the easiest one.
they just want. I mean, for the next, I hope that not only about presenting, right? Don't you agree with me?
Yeah, I know. But for this topic, actually for science, same topic loh, Miss, because for this topic, for the real
I
one,
mean, why is it different? For science, last time making ice cream, but
No,
this one,
no, the previous chapter is about classification, right, for science, and the topic is the same. Because hard, how? The real one, go to the zoo, it's field trip, right? Not
fine.
project.
Yeah, it's difficult, yeah.
If the topic is related to the real one, yeah, it's more fun.
Maybe we can find a new one. For the next chapter, have you learned that? What is it about?
Not yet.
Not yet, yeah.
What is the next chapter? Okay,
Maybe you can find some interesting project later
based on the title then. Miss.
based on the title. Yeah. Okay, then we'll talk about that later. Right now for science. I'm coughing. Okay. Can you explain about fibers, new materials, plastics, ceramics?
Yes. So this chapter 8, the title is what is the title? Yeah, materials and their properties. So here we are studying about the materials. So there are the materials that making of metal or non-metal, and also there is ceramics, plastic, fibers, and glass. And we are studying about their properties. Like we know how to choose the proper properties for another one needs like that. Like for making the if you are going to making a pipe, what properties that you need to use? Is that glass? Is that plastic? Like that.
All right. This is same with fibers.
Fibers is our clothes making of fibers to make fabrics. Like
How about this one, the new materials?
the new materials like aerogels. Aerogels actually it's a solid, but it's
Solid.
yeah, it's solid, but it's really light.
Oh.
Really light. Even the materials is making
It
around
means that it can float. It can be floating on the water.
the materials. It's making around 98% of air.
Oh yeah.
It's unique. The aerogels.
How about the ceramics?
We can use the ceramic to make bricks, to make porcelain, to make how to say Gucci in English.
Gucci.
Make ceramics.
Wait, yeah.
Porcelain, yeah.
Porcelain?
Porcelain. Is that?
I forgot. Wait, yeah. Gucci. Jar? Is that?
Oh
Jar?
yeah.
Jar?
Jar.
Oh. Okay. And then, is it made from clay?
Yes, the ceramics are made of
From clay?
yeah, clay.
And then it will be dried.
Yeah, using the heating process
Oh.
with the high temperatures. Actually, it's unique, right, Miss? If we
Yes.
can do this as our science project, but where we go?
Yes,
That's
yes,
why
that's why,
I need to try the making
Have you
sound.
asked this to Sir Safi? Maybe
Yes,
maybe he has
Mr. Shafii
idea.
asked me to prepare your materials.
Oh,
Even for science project, I need to make the like proposal, Miss,
oh yeah,
for the price.
but maybe
So this one is expensive. So why
yes,
not?
it takes much money, I think, for
That's
preparing
why
this.
should be fun but cheap.
Yeah. Okay, now we move to vocabulary.
Okay. Vocabulary.
Okay,
Okay,
vocabulary
miss.
without seeing the
Okay, okay, okay.
laptop. What is a science? Yeah. What is superconductors?
What is superconductors mean?
Superconductors. Super? Why do you say super?
Yeah, because it's have the classification too, like not like the usual conductor. It's superconductor because
Because
the things have the classification like the situation
what?
to make it transfer the heat.
Do you mean for the superconductors the temperatures is higher?
Yeah.
Is higher than
Than
the
the
usual
usual
conductors?
conductor.
I mean, what does it look like? What is the example of the superconductors?
I don't write this symbol.
You don't know? Still related to this one. Why don't you know? Maybe you can find later, yeah, Miss.
Okay.
For the example of the
Okay.
superconductors, yeah. And then they're not curious. So maybe, Miss, what is the example, Miss? No, they don't ask it.
I don't know.
They don't ask it, the students.
Not yet.
Oh, you
It's for
haven't.
tomorrow.
I mean, you can prepare. Yeah, you
Okay.
can give the example also. Okay, for the usual conductor, this one example. For the superconductors, this one. So we can say that they are different and this one, like that. What is insulator?
Insulator means it's prevent to transfer the heat and what one more electricity means
Heat.
and electricity.
Okay. The additional explanation.
Huh?
The additional explanation.
The things that cannot transfer heat, like another explanation yet. Things that it means
You just
prevent-
explain based on the vocabulary that you have made here.
Aduh, can I read?
What is that?
Insulator, right? Insulator, it's prevent to transfer the heat. Like plastic, it cannot transfer the heat. Like that, miss.
Aerosols, yeah.
Yeah, aerosol is a tiny solid properties, tiny materials.
That's tiny.
Yeah, tiny and light solid materials that it's can transfer heat. It's a good conductor, not insulator.
Oh. Density.
Density means the mass per volume is per unit. Like the density of water is 1 gram. The density of metal, like copper, it's 1085. So it's more denser than water. If you put, for example, this ring inside the water, it will be sink because because the density is higher. Like that.
All right. Ceramics, what is that?
Ceramic is the materials that made of clay, and it's baked using the heating process.
Okay. Next, porous. What is that?
Porous means have a tiny holes, so the air, no, the water can go through because there is the tiny holes.
Additional explanation?
Like aerosols have the porousness because you know it's made of more than the I mean it's made of 90% air, so it's so many pores in aerosols.
Okay, we move to English.
Nothing, miss.
English also and IPAS also. All right. Now we move to homework. Okay, this is about story, yeah, English. There are two characters there, maybe Nina and Dave, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the problem that Nina and Dave face?
Raining.
It's what?
It's raining.
It's raining. So what does Nina suggest they do instead of playing tennis outside?
Nina suggests to play. No, Nina suggests to play the tennis indoor, but and then Dave say that usually it's too crowded, so many people, and it's expensive. And then Nina proposed another idea, like, okay, let's stay at home, watch the old tennis movie while eating our food.
Wait, miss. How do Nina and Dave feel about not being able to play tennis today?
They feel sad and disappointed.
So what does Dave suggest they do at the end of the conversation?
At the end, they play no, they watch the old tennis movie.
So what are the alternatives that Nina and Dave consider for what to do instead of playing tennis?
Watching movie means
What are the alternatives that
alternative
Nina
is
and Dave consider?
play the tennis indoor,
Indoor.
Mm.
And then?
but it's not the final because they say it's expensive. And then
What does Nina propose again?
watch the tennis old tennis movie.
Siapa yang mengenalkan penggolongan makhluk hidup ke dalam 5 kingdom?
Si Robert H. Whittaker,
Apa yang membedakan kingdom Monera dengan kingdom lainnya?
dia selnya satu.
Jadi siapa yang mengusulkan sistem klasifikasi 4 kingdom?
Si Herbert F. Copeland,
Kingdom manakah yang mencakup organisme yang memiliki inti sel?
si Protista,
Apa tujuan utama pengklasifikasian makhluk hidup?
memudahkan kita mempelajarinya.
Apa yang dimaksud dengan prokaryotik?
Tidak memiliki inti sel.
Apakah jamur termasuk dalam kelompok tumbuhan?
Salah, karena dia termasuk ke dalam fungi.
Bagaimana dengan hiu? Apakah itu bertulang belakang?
Ya, dia bertulang belakang.
Jadi siapa yang mempopulerkan klasifikasi 4 kingdom?
Stanley Van Niel.
Apa perbedaan antara hewan dan tumbuhan berdasarkan klasifikasi 5 kingdom, Miss?
Biasanya ciri-ciri dari ciri-ciri dari makhluk hidup itu kan dia bisa bergerak, tetapi di sini bisa dibilang bahwa tumbuhan itu tidak bergerak. Sebenarnya sih bergerak, tetapi kan definisi bergerak itu adalah berpindah tempat. Nah, tumbuhan bergerak itu kita tahu dari mana? Dari arah matahari. Ketika kita ada suatu tumbuhan dan kita hanya menyinarinya satu arah, dia akan otomatis ke arah matahari tersebut. Jadi sebenarnya kalau dibilang tidak bergerak ini tidak seutuhnya benar. Definisi bergerak yang mana? Bergerak ketika berpindah tempat, ya tidak. Tetapi kalau bergerak mengikuti arah, tumbuhan masih bergerak.
Nama lain dari tumbuhan apa, Miss?
Lantai,
Lantai ya. Kalau hewan?
animalia.
Okay. Alright, I think that's enough for the evaluation for today. I have asked from the project and also from the vocabulary. So I think you pass in this evaluation. Thank you, Miss.